Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 31 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. Today's razor, something different. I know the holidays are coming, a lot of you will be traveling, and there's always that issue with, can I take my safety razor, can I take my blades? I can't take my blades on the plane. I can't put the blades in a carry-on, but I can check the blades, that sort of thing. I have a whole video devoted to TSA and shaving. I'll put a link up there, you can check it out. This could be an alternative if you're interested. This is the LEA Travel Shave Kit. Comes in this little plastic wrapper right here. Let's see what's inside. 2 items, that's it. A razor and a small tube of shaving cream. It's an 8-gram tube, so it'll give you a few travel shaves. And this is the razor. It's a triple blade razor. Comes with a protective cover on the blade that just snaps on and off like that, so you won't cut your fingers when you put it in your DOP kit. And it's a throwaway, so it'll be perfect for your little travel trips. Fits in your DOP case easily. It's got the swivel head. I mean, I'm not a super fan of cartridge razors, but traveling in a pinch, let's see how this does. I'll perform a shave with it, and I'm just gonna use the 2 items that come with it, the razor and the LEA shaving cream. So I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. All right, here we go. Let's remove the cap. It is sealed, so you need to break that seal with the little pin that's on the other side of the cap. Like so. Just insert it till it pops. We are going to use our fingers, a small amount, and just start massaging that in. Okay, it's going to take a little more than a super small amount, maybe another small amount. There we go. Massage that into all the areas you intend on shaving. I'm even going to use a little bit more. This would also be good for doing your lineups, beard trims, mustache trims, because it doesn't lather up, but it lubricates. So it's kind of a clear lubricant. All right, let me rinse my fingers. Okay, here we go, the LEA 3-blade. I guess this is similar to a Mach 3 razor. LEA's version of a Mach 3 razor. Under the hot water, start on the right side. Let's see how this works. Yeah, it works. I mean, doesn't remove the beard as easily. I have a 2-day beard growth. Doesn't remove it as easily as the safety razor. Right here. This removes it much better and quicker. But as I said, for traveling and being a throwaway, it could be worthwhile. You're not going to cut yourself. I mean, it really is more of a mild shaver, but it is removing my beard. The flex goes over the contours easily, the pivoting head. Left side. You do have to rinse it pretty frequently though. The shaving cream is very lubricating. Does a good job of preparing the face for a shave. I find that it rinses better if you let the water flow through from the backside instead of the front. Rinses out better that way. You have to really go over the same area several times to get it to remove. Okay, the mustache. Yeah, it gets under the nose pretty easily. I'm sure if you had less of a beard growth, maybe 1 day beard growth, you'd be able to take the longer strokes and it would remove it easily, but for my heavier beard growth, the shorter strokes work better. Okay, first pass complete. A quick rinse. And let's get a little bit more of the shaving cream. That much. Massage that in for a second pass. Okay, we'll go across like we normally do. Other side, backhand it. You can't see the shaving cream, but it is there. And it is hydrating and lubricating the beard. Against the grain on the neck. Kind of like a speed shave. Okay, let's lather up one more time. If you're smooth enough, you can stop, but I'm going to go against the grain on everything. Even with wet fingers, you can grip it. It's got this rubber and it's got these grooves. So it's ergonomic. It fits right in the palm. It's very light though. Okay, this time we'll start at the bottom and work our way up. No audible feedback. If you have trouble spots, you can just do a little buffing like that. Stretch the skin, buff it out. I had a slight nick, believe it or not, going against the grain. Check it. It's not even, you can't even tell, it's gone. Okay, let's rinse off. Take your Shave Nation wide stick Alum block, remove the cap, just glide that all over the areas you shaved. A little stinging right here, but nowhere else. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. All right, let's dry the fingers and pat the face dry. Pretty smooth, not bad. I mean, for a throwaway razor, it did the job. It took a little doing. I had to go over the same area several times. It doesn't have that precision trimmer that some of these cartridge razors do for trimming the sideburns. That would be a nice touch, but this one doesn't have that. The shaving cream actually conditions the face. My skin feels really good. So this little tube of shaving cream you could still probably get maybe 2 to 3 more shaves out of this. So there, it comes out real easily. If you don't, I can't get it back in, right? One thing you can never do is get the cream back in the tube. If anybody knows how, let me know. Apply your favorite aftershave. A couple drops in the fingertips. Aftershave balm. Massage that in. Let's take a final look at the razor. The LEA 3-blade cartridge razor, similar to a Mach 3, but it's a throwaway, so if you lose it, or it won't get confiscated, it'll be okay with the TSA. On the flight, you're okay with that. Cartridge razors are okay. Safety razor blades, that's a no-go. Like I said, check out my video from earlier about TSA and shaving, traveling and shaving. But the shaving cream, this little 8-gram tube of LEA shaving cream, actually conditioned my skin. My skin feels nice and soft. It was a good lubricant. Took a little more doing with this 3-blade than a safety razor. The safety razor would have cut right through the beard very easily with a lot less work. Took a little longer than I expected, but all in all, a decent shave for a travel razor that's a throwaway, very reasonably priced. When you're done, just pop the cap, the plastic protective cover, right back on. Drop it in your DOP case. No worries about cutting your fingers. It's all good. You could even drop it back in the plastic wrap and save it like that. LEA Shaving Kit for travel includes a 3-blade disposable premium razor with an ergonomic handle, pivoting head, and lubricating strip, and a brushless shaving cream, 8-gram tube, developed with vegetable ingredients and wetting agents to provide a soft, comfortable, and close shave. No brush needed. Apply the cream by hand. Helps razor gliding and protects the skin. Triple blade razor for a smooth and close shave. Ideal for travel. If you want to pick up this little travel kit, enter SN1630 in the search box. It'll pop right up. You can check out another travel shave video on the Proraso travel shaving kit. I'll put a link up here. You can just click on that and see how that one works as well. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Also, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.